Alright guys, we do not need the flashlight on anymore actually, because it's just going to waste away my battery.
This is how we do it, guys. Press and pull.
Correct. There you go.
Take this off, yeah?
Yeah. And then, in order to redo it,
Just press
you just do that, and you just click it into place. Yeah, pull it just to make sure, and then all you do is you put it back in. Make sure that it's not like that, or like that, or like that, because otherwise you know, you don't want the lint to ignite. That would not be good. Anyway, time to put these in the dryer. I'm gonna move it to the centre. There we go. Time to put you in.
One piece.
Yeah.
Second piece.
I'll turn on the flashlight considering it is quite dark in the drum.
Third piece. Yeah.
They are pretty damp.
Fourth piece.
Oh wow, wow. Look at that.
That's
Wow.
funny. Wow.
So I think all the steam must be trying to escape the clothes. Alright. Let's move them around a bit. Let's make sure they're freely movable. You know, you're just trying, because you don't want to push them down or anything. All you do is you just do that. Make sure they're not tangled or anything. All the usual. There we go. Pat it all. There we go. You make sure there's nothing catching it. And then we shut the door. Actually. And then we just shut the door like that. There we go. Now, we did do a delicate, so we will put this on a delicates as well, if there is. I guess wool finish is delicate, basically. So what, shall I do wool finish? Yeah.
Oh god.
Wait, no, because cotton will be too rough on them. Because, yeah, wool. So what we do is you just, let's do that. So then what you do is you just, whoopsie, there we go. Yes, twist, you can twist either way. You do that. I don't know what you can choose. That's a delay thing. You cannot choose any of them. But you can choose 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, and now. Should we do now? Yeah. Alright. Oh, wait. Yeah, none of them can be chosen. Let me just do that just so. And all you do, you press start and wait. There you go, it takes it a second for it to start. And yay, done.
Well done.
And then I'm just gonna show them for 5 minutes, yeah? 5, 2 minutes.
1 minute.
I was gonna say 4.
1 minute. You've already been 20 minutes late, almost. Come on, 1 minute.
I want to show them for 2 minutes.
You don't need us. You can't tell you off.
Trust me.
Not 1 minute. He wants to do his checks and he's going to keep coming in here to do his checks.
Who, Lewis?
Yeah, he keeps coming here to do his checks.
Checks about what?
While he's there. This is his routine.
Wait, why does he need to come in here for his checks about what he did today?
No, but he's keep coming in here, so he's waiting here. That's why he's in the kitchen. Come on.
Let him in, just tell him to be quiet unless he wants his voice on YouTube.
Oh, you butcher. Good day.
Fine. 1 minute. Deal?
1 minute deal.
Fine. Can you turn off the light, please?
Turn off the light.
Yeah. Quick. Yeah, thanks. Alright guys, so now it's drying, it's on wool. To be honest, I could have put it on synthetic since it wouldn't have been too harsh on them, but oh well. If it's not drying, if they're still wet, which I doubt they'll be, I'll ask them to put it on synthetics. And then after they're dry, I'll ask them to put it on anti-odors and then that's it. And yeah, pretty much that's going to be it for today guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favourite bit of the video. If you had the same washer or dryer, see what it did differently compared to what ours does, because I know sometimes it'll work differently depending on like the kilos. So that's 11 kilos. So that's basically
because
I know
he's gonna go for his back in 5 minutes.
Alright.
It's been good that.
And yeah, I mean you basically get the vented.
Right, come on Dad.
That
You've got 5 minutes till it's 8 o'clock. Come on.
already?
Yeah, come on. It's supposed to be
Oh wow. Time has gone quick.
Come on.
Sheesh. Alright. I generally thought it was like 25 past 7.
Yeah, you thought.
I didn't think it was 7:55.
Come on, let's go.
Alright. It's got one touch, so if you put it to one touch, you can just leave it there and you can connect it. But here's the thing guys, guess what? I thought it was around 7:25, 7:30 PM. Nope. It's actually 7:55 PM. Yeah. Whoopsie.
You can still save that. I think we're good now.
So yeah. Whoopsie.
Come on, come on, let's be quick. Get up here, come on. Give me a hand.
Wait,
There's no ice cream.
isn't it? Yeah, wait. Did I want to see them all again?
No juice.
What? 2? What can I have 2?
One.
Oh,
One
one.
for today, one for tomorrow.
Alright, yeah, but I bet you'll also eat that.
I did hide that, yeah?
What?
I did hide that for you.
Alright.
Come on. Come on, come on.
Look at that though, guys. Rock hard.
Come on.
I know, I'm just saying.
Yeah, come on, come on.
I need to get my ice off.
Yeah, come on, come on. Sorry.
Just trying to get that ice off my... Right, hold that.
Let's go there.
Right, there we go. Right.
Good night, guys.
Yeah. You see how it's all foggy? Right.
Let's go
You
there.
see how that
Come on.
stopped? That's part of the wool thing. Right, so that's a oh. Oh guys. Yeah. Just chilling in my bedroom. Yeah. There we go. Watch this, guys. Did I get it in? Oh, wait. Oh, I missed. Better luck next time, eh? See, if it was any other YouTube video, it probably would have gone in. Literally. You know, like TikTok. But if you look over here, there's my plants. That one on the right is my sunflower seed plant. It's actually Cordell's, my BFF at school. But because I didn't have one, and I know he wouldn't have taken care of it. So I thought, you know what, I'll take care of it. And if I come and show you. Yes, I do wear this. And I do wear skirts and crop tops. I have symbols on it. Just to help me know which one, you know. Because sometimes, you know, like this has got a bit too much water. Funny fact though is that it's still completely wet and yeah, it's dead. It's beginning to smell a little bit, so I think soon we're going to just have to chuck it away. We'll have to put in some soil, not wool. But this is our school experiment. I've tried looking after it. It started growing all of a sudden and, you know, I couldn't really remember to cut it. Oh, wait, I'm still in Zoom mode. Oops. Huh. There we are. So you can see, look how well it's grown. Look, here's a tip. If, you know, you're going to be away for a while, put some water in here and then wait until the soil's like really, really wet. Then any remaining water pour onto the plate. Then that way, it'll just drink from the plate. Because if you look underneath it, I think Lewis has put his hand in the toilet and now staff are telling him to wash his hands. I agree, but he just thinks water's water. I don't blame him though. To be honest, you know, I used to eat snow. I still do, but only from the sky, not from the floor. Even if it's fresh, nah. From the sky, I might, but yeah. Well, you know what? Look, here guys. Interesting. Hopefully these will work out very, very happily over time. Basically, I've got a really big room. You know, I mean, you've basically got, look, wardrobe, you know, underneath the bed, storage, other underneath, tons of car magazines, everything you could wish for. You've got a bathroom, one of the lights are not working, the bathroom fan is not working, the shower works, toilet, you know, I've got to go guys, like, subscribe, see ya, bye.